today I've got a new recorder. It's called video. I'll do. My brother's doing some kind of stupid something.
And I'll kill him in the butt.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a screen recorder called video. I'll have a tutorial how to get that for iOS. Well, I don't know if it's Android, but I'm showing you how to get the silver play button on Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's really simple. So let's just build us a wall right here. Like doesn't matter. Okay. So what you need? Well, for me, you don't have to do this, but I always use an anvil, iron frame, and hopper. So all I do is put the anvil down and I name the hopper. God, Isaac, what you're doing? But to put color text, all I have to do is hold down and do that, and go to nope, I forgot. Okay, 7, then silver play button. Done. Then there we go, and then when you want to get item frame, do that. Then just turn it right here. Then a little one part, it says silver play button. So yeah, guys, that is. So that Isaac, what are you saying? So yeah, guys, that is just a tutorial, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Wait, do you like my new intro? Comment down below if you like it. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.